Hello, we are Eunomia AI, and today we are here to present our Datathon project, the AI Legal Consultation Agent. The problem statement. A lot of people cannot afford lawyers. They have low legal literacy, and the first steps into the law are often confusing because people rarely ever come into contact with the law. So our solution is to have this agent that gives a grounded first step for people priced out of legal help or lost in the jargon. It should interpret the situation, find legal precedents from a corpus of previous court cases, and then suggest the next steps for the user. So here's the methodology. The model itself should be an RAG that retrieves the top sources from the dataset and generates answers that have citations. And because RAG is not the most accurate model out there, we also hope to use reinforcement learning to improve its accuracy, because that is required for legal agents in this industry. So let's first go to the demo before talking about the limits. So our data is collected from a Kaggle dataset that was based on data taken from OIS. We have then processed that data into XML that looks like this, and further process it into a vector database for semantic searches, with these being the vector embeddings of the text of the data. And we have used this vector database and the XML to do our RAG. And this RAG will access the three tool functions that will access the XML and vector base respectively, which include keyword search, searching for keywords, reading a part of the document by its ID, or doing a semantic search by the meaning of the text itself. Then we have also done reinforcement learning. We have synthetically generated question-answer pairs to use in our data, using the data from the legal corpus. And we use an LLM as a judge to help train the main LLM and to score it so that it improves its own outputs. For example, when it doesn't know anything, we get a score of 0. And you can see how the loss function has been changing over time. So, onto our limitations, that we were not able to complete our reinforcement learning because of the time constraint. But in the future, we will hope to complete that, as well as use a broader legal corpus, which will produce higher logic precision and rigorous citation. So that's all for our presentation. Thanks. See you next time.